In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple calendar view in Jira with Swanly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to go into Jira. Once you're there, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Apps and give it a click. After that, you'll want to choose Explore More Apps. This will take you to a section where you can find and integrate new tools within Jira. Next, you'll look for an app called Swanly, Portfolio Roadmap Structure Gantt Release Timeline. To do this, use the search feature and type in the name. Once you find Swanly in the search results, go ahead and click on Install. Give it a moment as it adds to your Jira instance, and then we're ready for the exciting part, using Swanly to set up our calendar view. Now navigate back to the project you want to work with. In the top navigation bar, you'll see an option for Swanly Roadmaps. Click on that. Once you're there, notice the Swanly icon in the top left section of the screen. There's a drop-down menu right next to it. Click on this drop-down and an option labeled Create Roadmap will appear. Select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the type of roadmap you want to create. Take a minute to consider what fits best for your needs and make your selection. Once that's done, you'll be asked to name your roadmap. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later on. You'll then need to choose the type of your roadmap, particularly if there are specific features or details you want to focus on. Following this, you'll need to select the projects that will be part of your roadmap. This step is crucial as it determines what information and tasks you'll be able to visualize on your calendar. With all that set, click on the Create button. This will finalize the setup of your roadmap. Now let's add some issues to your newly created calendar view. Look for an Add Issue button and give that a click. You'll be able to drag and drop your issues right onto the calendar. This feature is especially helpful for organizing your workload visually and keeping track of upcoming tasks and deadlines. And there you have it. You've successfully created a simple calendar view in Jira using the Swanly app. This feature should provide a lot of value in terms of planning and managing your projects efficiently. As you become more familiar with it, be sure to explore other functionalities that can further streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.